Okay drivers, this week we're doing the wheel change challenge. So basically you've got a wheel on the car, you need to take the pin out, wheel gun the nut off, then put the wheel back on, and in reverse put the wheel nut back on and then the pin in. Quickest one wins. You'll be head to head. George, you can do the rear of the car, Adam, you can do the front, and as a bit of a demonstration we have got our crack expert wheel changer Tommy to show us how it's done properly.
Nice and simple, wheel pin out, grab your gun. As simple as wherever it is. That.
On your mark, get set, go! Turn it down. Yeah.
So played a bit of a trick on the boys there by having the wheel guns wound down to the lowest setting, but think that was a nice bit of fun there for you. But yeah, by a smidgen, George is the winner.
Thank you very
on
much.
to the next one.